So let me start by saying we have this little guy, a German Shepherd, and a Mastiff, and this dog food works for all of them. They love it equally. This food is built around a straightforward nutrition profile. The primary ingredients are salmon, which provides complete animal protein along with naturally occurring omega-3 fatty acids. Those fats play a role in skin integrity, coat condition, and normal inflammatory response, which is really important. Carbohydrates come from brown rice and sweet potato rather than refined grains. These are complex carbs that digest more slowly and provide sustained energy without sharp glucose spikes. Sweet potatoes also contain fiber and micronutrients like beta carotene. The formula also provides probiotics for gut support. It's made in the USA. There is no corn, wheat, soy, or artificial fillers. Every ingredient serves a nutritional purpose. The formulation is labeled for all life stages, meaning it's established for young pups all the way up to seniors. And my dogs love it.